Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The House of Secure Network. Today we will discuss how to create a VNet in Azure. A VNet in AWS is also called a VPC. If you want to know how to create a VPC in AWS, do check the link above to watch the full video. For now, let's get started with the VNet right after this short intro. As soon as you log in the Azure portal, you will be directed to a landing page that looks something like this. To create a virtual network, first we need to create a resource group where the VNet will reside. Just type resources in the search bar here. Once you click on the resource tab, you will be directed to the resources group landing page. Once you are on the resources page, click on the blue button and create a resource group. You will then need to enter the subscription name, the resource group name, and the region you would like to select, and then just click on review plus create. That's it, your resource group is now ready for use. Now you need to follow the same process to create a VNet as well. Enter the name, the IP address, the subscription name of the resource group, select the location, give a subnet name to it and the subnet of the IP address, and then click on create button. Awesome, that is it. You have now successfully created a VNet as well. Watch out for more such amazing videos on Azure and AWS. Hit that subscribe button right now. Until then, keep watching the House of Secure Network. Goodbye.